Welcome. So today I am with Samsung Galaxy A13 and I want to show you a few camera tips. So at first I'm going to show you how we can use shutter. We can use the shutter in a few different ways. So the first one, it's very obvious. We can take photos by tapping on this shutter, right? But when you click and hold, you can record video. You can lock by dragging to this lock. And right now we can switch between 1x and 2x. You can take photos while recording, pause, continue and finish by tapping right here. Another option, we can swipe like that and we can take series of the photos. So we can take to the 30 photos in the very short time. We can also swipe like that and grant this additional floating shutter button. It's useful when you hold your phone like that and you are not able to reach this bottom shutter. So we can drag it to the right edge and that's how it works. To get it back, just remember to put it right here at the bottom. Okay, and right now let's focus on the volume buttons, volume up and down. So normally we can use them as a shutter by pressing once on each button, but also we can click and hold and treat this buttons like series of the photo, like this main shutter. When we click right here, we are able to change color and the temperature. As you can see, we got a few filter presets and we can change the strength of the filter by dragging this slider. And we can change by tapping like that. If you want to turn them off, just go for the original. When you click right here, we are able to add camera timer. We can go for the 2, 5 or 10 seconds. We can select 2 seconds, click on the shutter and after 2 seconds the photo will be taken. We can also change brightness level in the photo mode by tapping here and moving the sun icon to the right or to the left. To adjust automatically, tap on the screen once. Okay, so that's all my few tips for Samsung Galaxy A13 camera. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.